I can't wait to film these 3 things.
No puedo esperar volver a ver a todos los niños que participan en los programas de las bibliotecas.
I can't wait to give you your library card registration, sign you up for a library card, and then tell you about the classes at our 16 locations.
I can't wait to explore the world with you at the library.
Hi, Miss Lisa here with the Orange County Library System, and I can't wait to see my Storytime families again.
I can't wait to see our families at Bubble Playtime.
And I can't wait to record moments like this in our buildings again.